Also a YouTuber as well, which creates some awesome content, you know.
And you're on the island, if you're in Jamaica, please make sure you subscribe to his.
Alright, stop it. You know they want to take more than one time.
Yeah?
You know them with them man. Alright guys, so today I'm here with Alex Robinson, a fellow Jamaican content creator who creates some awesome content, you know, whether from tech reviews and all those things. So today we're out here just linking up, you know, creating some content. You guys can actually check him out. I'm going to put the link for his channel down in the description if you guys want to check out some awesome content that he creates. And if you like my content, you're also going to like his content as well, because we create similar content of tech product and those things.
So make sure if you're watching this video, don't even move from here. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video, share it to your friends and family, because trust me, we're gonna take this thing to 1 million subscribers in the coming future. So make sure that you subscribe to his YouTube channel as well. Alright, so me access say yo, like how you're there. For the company that will reach out to you, let's say they send us something, they can't send it like directly to Jamaica?
No. I'm sorry, I'm normally that me with my shipping overseas shipping address and send it to it. And then now the local shipping company normally get the package and then bring it into Jamaica, pay customer, all those things, and then we just pick it up from there.
Okay.
They normally charge on fee though, which is for the pound, for the weight. They normally charge for the weight.
Okay.
And then you just pay for the weight. But some package though might be attract custom charge. Yeah, some package. I think if more than $100, if they actually check it, it will charge a custom charge.
So that's like a minimum or maximum then we charge?
Like a minimum, like if package, the cost of the package. Once they scan it and the package like over, I think, I'm not sure if that right. I think last time it was $50 and they moved it to $100. So anything more than that, it might attract a custom charge. Okay. It's not guaranteed though, might if them actually check it. Okay. You understand?
Okay, which makes sense. I started about YouTube like what, a year and a half now. My first video, my post, probably like 13 years now. Like back when GoPro just started coming, like when they have one, me like private the video them. Yeah. But we post like video, like when we did in a college or something, post, drop a video, and then we end up, I do like one vlog. Like even before people do that, start vlogging, we start the vlog. And you remember? You did it. Oh, about 10, 13 years now that we jump off in a blue hole my youth, and that has been my mistake. I buy my GoPro, I instead of buy accessories for GoPro, I go find a little cheap place, buy accessories them. When we jump off in the water, camera,
mash up,
gone.
Gone.
Brother, it was feet down in the water, my youth.
Say jump off out the hand. Or for your forehead?
For the chest. I have a chest harness. Oh. Yeah, I have a chest harness. And it end up dropping in the water, my yo. After that, that's it. Because I did work on the summer program, save up the money, buy the camera, thing lost.
That rough.
Brother, after that, I not get back on camera till probably like 6 years after. And then, every time I still at college or something like that. So I couldn't, like, I didn't have camera, but I never have a computer to edit.
Oh, so
it's like the video did there, but it's like sometimes I edit on a little computer, then I tell me I'm on HP. Brother, as I load up and put all the video, the computer
crashed. Can't manage the footage.
Can't manage the
Plus, you work for school or fun.
Brother,
Anyway,
what
man.
we say, so it take one time and then it's like, after I start work, I said to myself, say, yo, 9 to 5, thing alright, you know, but sometimes I have to go back to something I like to do.
That's true, man.
And then I start slump on the drawing board and I said, no man, I can't take picture and I like to make video. And I sit up and say, yo, I start watch some people and I say, yo, you know, say, I'm going to start the YouTube in my head.
That's true, man.
And then like in our first year, I don't know how it works for you, but in our first year, I start get the first email I get, me shock.
From a company?
Yeah, first one I get like,
Yeah.
probably like 4 or 5 months after I start, me shock. I'm still working with them because they sell like leather accessories and stuff like that, like the bag them expensive.
Oh, bag.
Yeah, not just bag, phone case.
phone
Because
case.
then they reach out to me if you do
Oh.
like phone case.
Oh.
And then after I do the phone case, I do like, I just need to get better at the short form content. But me make like video, like sponsorship video with like phone cases and anything there for company. But me just lazy to post them.
Oh, I understand, man.
So I make like, cause I like YouTube more, so I put more time and effort
In a long form content.
in a long form content.
Yeah.
Them. But when it come out to like a short one, I'm just not interested to do like Instagram reel and them thing there.
Yeah, I understand.
But
Man.
I tell her, it plays.
But me still, now I make a dedicated shorts, you know. Me now like for my shorts them, me now like take piece
Yeah,
from long form content
probably if you try that.
and I put them together.
Probably, like for this, I try the one short form, but it. More I'll edit the video and I post it. Like sit down, edit it and like if I don't post now one period of time, I just not post it none at all. But me I try like for 2025.
So the reason why like you know really want to post it.
Sometimes I'm just lazy. I just feel, because I watch so much YouTube, my passion is like, to kick off, I don't want like, let me be honest with you, I don't want like blow up on Instagram and my YouTube channel is struggle. You get what I say? So I prefer like the YouTube be the main thing for me because I have
I know
to
so that idea me have at first.
yeah. But your Instagram,
Me and tell him to the Instagram. Carry more
Exactly. You know say I sent him tell this morning you say yo, at first a while ago, me I say at first when I on YouTube, me free to post my content on Instagram. Because I say I don't want to post them on Instagram and then now YouTube.
yeah.
But I get to realize say no. I don't like that. When you post my Instagram, it bring more followers to your YouTube.
Okay.
I mean, I tell him.
And since they talk about it, ask him.
So
At first, I get it wrong, and I said no. I say, no, I'm not posting on Instagram because I want YouTube to kind of build first.
well, at that time, I
Yes,
said me how.
I saw that, that think about it, and I said, no. I said, no, man, you know, right that way there. Because the more exposure you get
Yeah.
to people and people know you,
Yeah.
it's like they must say, all right, me check out him channel.
Okay.
So you can get more information on certain things. As I come start post more content now on Instagram,
So that means
so you can build now my YouTube channel. Yeah. That me just, same thing me just say at first.
Yeah.
So me now post on Instagram.
Yeah, I forgot to do that then.
Yeah.
'cause That,
And-
as we said, that's why me focus like, me have a content them and me can.
And that way too, you can reach more brands too. More brands can reach out to you more.
Okay.
For more collaboration and more sponsorship.
Okay.
You understand? Yeah. So you can get more sponsorship that way there.
Okay.
More sponsorship, more brands and anything there.
You charge, you get no sponsorship, but you charge no company them.
You charge them, man.
Oh, okay, make sure just have make sure you charge them.
Yeah, man, we charge them, man.
Cause I realize say yo, like the first we take couple deals and I say no man, me not take me because like first they reach out and they ask me what me charge and then
Yeah.
then tell me say oh then you can't price too high. Then we do like a product exchange, but no, if me charge you don't want it, me not do nothing.
Yeah. Sometimes I charge them and they just ghost me. It's like a cricket after that.
Yeah.
then I want to
that
pay.
happened too. That,
Yeah, man.
a couple deals,
Yeah.
a couple companies reach out to a couple times and then they say how much we charge, we give them a rate
Yeah.
and then no more email after
No
that.
more
I say,
after that.
yo, that's you know do that again. But me realize just I keep my standard and brand and that's it.
True, man. But sometimes, see, me negotiate still. If I something I really want,
Yes.
we negotiate. If I something I really want, I say, all right, it makes sense to what me I do.
Yeah.
Me actually
Like, let me
give
tell
and
you,
take.
I don't know. Hopefully they get one like one sponsorship for like Inter 360. But them, me realize, you know, when me show you what me realize. You see, so my big brand them, they have like a US, what would I say? They have like a US marketing
Yeah.
and they have the China marketing. We realize that sometimes when you send email to the US marketing, they don't respond. But I work with like we deal them when we get for Insta 360.
Yeah.
Most of marketing people them are from China and then a ramp fi send the product, brother.
Yeah man, China is the machine product.
Brother, then a ramp fi send the product them before me even done negotiation. One day it's like me did make one video for them already now and they say alright, they might come up with a new product and they want to send me it and I say alright, blah blah blah. But we don't go through some negotiation because I never want to do.
Yeah.
They want me to do X amount of video and I say yo, I don't do no X amount of video. I just have to do 2 video or 1 video and that's it. And while we are negotiate, me see like a FedEx person come on my yard.
With the product already?
I say yo, what is? I'll to FedEx guy, I say yo, I sign for that package but I really don't know what. They send me up it, they already send the product, then a ramp.
True, man.
So I try like, I don't know how to maneuver it, but I try like when I reach out to brands now, I try get the not the US marketing team, but the Chinese marketing team, because trust me, then a ramp to spend the money, then a ramp to send the product,
marketing.
Then just depend. As long as I have good quality content, yeah, we get it.
You get it.
Come on, yeah, we get it. But let me tell you.
Even with Godax, me just Godax with some product and I'm sending it.
Yeah.
I'm sending it.
Sometimes I look for you and say, oh, this is what y'all not them because now y'all do more video like like we see a post like there, I probably go watch it.
Yeah.
Because me person where like because I love YouTube so much.
Yeah.
I start watch TV. I sit down and watch everybody channel. Like everybody video come out, I say, yo, he might do this. Let me try get a little
idea.
Yeah man.
Because you can grow and watch other channels to get more ideas.
Brother, me when you when me text my man look at me and say, yo, your video them you can see say them improve. And that's all because I watch other people.
Yes, you have watched them. Yeah, you have watched other people.
Because in your mind, you might think say your content as great as possible, but you see you watch like other people.
People say, John, you need to upgrade some more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You get me? I say you need to do this and you can look like this, but yo,
a real thing.
Because you are killing with the product then. Because I say yo, the only thing is like to me have my daughter now. It look a bit hard. It does take more time. So what I try to do is like I have one video where I go post tomorrow first, right?
Yeah.
Not like tech travel essential, and then I have the weekend I like, but I try record like have at least 2 content in my backlog because it take me. Me can record in a day and probably edit and post in a day, but like some of video them it take me like, especially when I got work and anything, it take me 1 week to actually sit down and edit. And sometimes I get bored with the editing because you will edit, you get brain freeze, if you get up and if you computer come back
and start again. A real thing, man.
I go and knock them, I see because one day I say, yo, we see a post like
often.
I said, everybody I go against me because I say, yo, I try to put up one content. But I say, I don't post no video in like last 3 weeks. I say, I don't post like once the new year starts. As long as I have 2 content in my backlog, me good. Because we can post every week or so.
Yeah, man, I post them because a content when unpublished, it's like you know reach out once it's unpublished.
Yeah.
So more you publish it, it does more to reach to more people.
Yeah.
And more the channel will get to grow.
But one of few good YouTubers there in Jamaica. So me see. Because I like it. Like I get the vlogging, but me just unless the technology, I'm not really that much interested in like.
True, man. And at first, I just started this thing, I said, I don't see, if a Jamaican, we actually do this thing, like what we do.
Let me tell you, the world has changed. And yes, when they come out to content creator, this is like one new thing and some whole heap of money in the night.
Yeah, for real, I tell you.
Crazy. Because they can shoot content, they can do video commercial.
Yeah.
Yo, just like, because I don't know no other YouTuber from Portland. Can't tell her that. I don't know much YouTuber from Portland, so.